Look, I have planted runner beans here and tomatoes, and they are flowering. My ampalaya is struggling, but I think it will grow. And I'm going to plant here some cabbage and cauliflower. Oh, nearly fall over. And these are my dwarf beans. Everything is growing because only we have 3 days of warm weather. The whole June was the half month of June was still cold. Oh, my sweet corn is here. Look, nice. And this one is flowering. Green peas. Eggplant also is struggling to grow. And this one are the cabbages and the cauliflower we put in the frame. Look at that inside, to protect from the butterfly, because white butterfly likes these cabbages, and once they lay eggs, and the caterpillar will eat the cabbages, the leaves. And these are the courgette, doing well, looking very good. Some of the one I planted were eaten by the slugs here, and they are starting to eat the other one too. They eat the soft bits, so I don't know if they are still going to grow, but this one is okay. This one is pumpkin, so I leave it. And these are the raspberries. Yeah, I just cut the grass today, by the way. The raspberries, this is autumn one, but I think this one is summer one because it's already has a fruit. And I put some cosmos over there, and my pear tree and the bushes are quite doing well. Cherry tree, and this is the apple tree. There are some fruit, not a lot because this is still small. Look, starting to get red, so hopefully they are going to go bigger. And there is one here in the corner, but it's not ours. These are the flowers of blackberries. Look, very pretty. Well, very, very thorny. Look, spiky thorns. I don't like it, but nice. The fruit is nice. And these are the neighbor's raspberries. There is one red already, but not ripe yet. Yeah. And this is the allotment. The potatoes are really have really nice flower. Look, white. These are the potato flowers. Once the potato has flower, there is already potato underneath. That's what my husband said, or that's what the sign of having potatoes. I don't know this one because they have no flowers yet, but these ones have purple flower. I like it, very nice. And these are my carrot and beetroot eaten by the slug, and the onions. And I'll show you the one in the raised bed. This raised bed has carrots, lettuce, spring onions, and parsley. Looking good. He also planted a lot there. But this bit is all the one that we are planting. We have like 800 square meters. There you go. Yeah, everything looking good. So today, guys, I'll show you the potatoes. The potatoes are flowering, and we planted it last April. Look at that. And I just dig one bit today. So we're going to try one over here. So they have different flowers, white and pink and purple. And I saw this one last time has plenty of potato. Actually, I'm going to show you. If I dig like this, where is that? Yeah, look. Oh, look at that. Nice one, red. So my husband is going to dig one. There may be plenty there. You put in here and see. Oh, perfect size. Oh, the mother potato is still there. It's not rotten. Look, yeah. Is that what Dean gave us? I think so. Yeah, so today we're going to boil it. It's plenty. And plenty little ones. So we don't eat that big one. Dig, look. Wow. Maybe plenty more in there. So how many rows we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 rows of potatoes. So this bit is a meal for 2 people. And plenty of weeds. So where you throw that? Not in the compost.
Yeah.
The potato plant.
Potato coming.
Ah, okay.
Not like these.
They will not grow in the grass. I put all in the compost. Yeah. So this bit, this much, is our new potato. Lovely.
No.
These are the men, hardworking men. Yeah. Having a beer.